Trading options on Webull involves several steps. Here's a concise guide to get you started. Open a Webull account. Sign up. If you don't already have a Webull account, download the Webull app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or visit the Webull website. Complete the registration and identity verification process. Enable options trading. Apply for options trading. Log into your account and go to the account section. Select options trading and complete the application to enable options trading, which involves providing information about your trading experience and financial situation. Fund your account. Deposit funds. Ensure your account is funded with sufficient capital to trade options. Transfer money into your Webull account if needed. Access the options trading platform. Navigate to options. On the app or website, go to the Trade tab and select options from the menu. Choose a stock. Select a stock. Search for the stock on which you want to trade options. Tap on it to view available options. Place an options trade. Select an option. Choose an option strategy. Review available contracts and expiration dates. Enter order details. Input the number of contracts, strike price, and expiration date. Specify the order type and review. Submit order. Confirm and submit your order. Monitor and manage. Track trades. Use the portfolio section to monitor your options positions and manage trades.